Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about how to create educational animated videos by using Render Forest software. Animated educational videos attract today's generations because they need some animation in their videos. Go to the Google search bar and type Render Forest. Render Forest. Click on the Render Forest. Now click on this main page. Now this is the main page of the Render Forest. Now click on the sign in. Sign in by using your Gmail account. There are two options in sign in, Facebook and Google. So click on the Google part. It takes the authentication. So you have to type and click on the next button. And write the password. It takes some time for login. It depends upon your internet speed. After login, there are number of options: make logo, create video, edit mockup, build website. So out of this, we are only deals with this sections that is called animation videos. So now to this all options, so number of options are there: Render Forest, whiteboard, 3D, clean line, style video. So now click on this section. You have to agree with the cookies. Now today we are going to learn about, out of this different types, we have to focus on this whiteboard animated tools. Make a double click. Whiteboard animation toolkit getting open. Now click here, create now. After create now button, this page is getting open. Now there are two options, add screen and load a preset. So click on add scene. Now here from this side, so you have to select your character: happy man, waving man, sad man, man with the icon in hand, and happy man. So number of options are there. So now select the first number, make one click on this icon and then insert. Make one click and then insert and type your text here. So type your text. So now save and close. So now your first animation, the saving getting, you're saving the part. So here in visual placement, two options are there. So if you click here, your character getting shift to opposite direction, and if you click on this left sections, your character is in the original positions. Okay, if you want to add other, then click on this button. Then number of options are there. Now go to again down, again you have to add some character. Click on this casual part, or click on the background animation button. As you click on the background animation button, so number of options are there in this background. So select on this one, and now click on the insert. So here you have to write anything. This one is look like a chemistry lab. So click save. So therefore now second number is again your, that is save. This second number animation is again getting saved. Now let us check for another. So click on this button, plus button. Now go again down, you have to search for the educational part. So check where is the educational part. So office and education. So it is your office, the updates from office and education. So here click on the selected part and then click here, insert the scene. So here you have to type anything. So I'm going to type here now click on the save and next. Now you are having this first animations, second animation and third animations. Now we have to publish this one animation. So now edit part is over. Now click on the style. So there are two options are there. One is called board drawn and second it is called cut. So we are going to select this board, and if you are going to change your font size, so again you are going to change. So there are number of options for the font size, but we place as it is. Now go to the color combination. For again color combinations, number of options are there. Directly click on any sections and check at the background, your animations are getting changed. So after this color, next part is for the music section. So click on the music part. So number of options are there. So select any one music or click on this button. So this section or this movie's music directly attached to that sections. Now next section is the preview part. So there are two options are there. So preview your project. So click on the free preview. Always it takes some time. So this video, it is in queue. Preparing your media. So exporting is going on. So again, if you are getting removed from these sections, again email notification is also there. So it gives the notification on your email. So now exporting is going on. Render Forest is very good for creation of animated videos. Now exporting is over, rendering finish. Now he is going to apply the audio to all. Now if you are going to edit, click here if you want to edit, and if you want to play your music, so directly so here number of options are there. So first number is share. So you are going to share your this animated video to Twitter, Facebook, and again if you are going to save videos, so you have to click here. It is directly going to save your video in my video folder, and here now you are going to download, and here publish video is again options are there. So if you are directly going to publish your video, so here two options are there. You directly going to upload to YouTube. So therefore if possible, first you have to check your video quality and then you have to upload to the YouTube. So now I am going to download my videos. So as you click on the download button, so this video is getting downloaded. Thank you. There are number of options for this toolkit. On basis of your interest, select anyone, but it is not possible to cover all the animated videos from this complete render forest. So we select only one or two. So now we are going to select this section that is called 3D toolkit. So double click on this section. So this toolkit having a very good rating of 4.6. Now click on this button, create now. Now similar with the previous one, number of options are there. So click here, add scene. So now check, number of options are there. So in first video we go to the first and second sections. First and second animations. Now we are directly going from the back side. So select this geographical places. Now click there. Now you are having all the geographical places. Now click on any one. That is, I am going to click on the White House. So two options are there. Tick here or click here. So I am going to click here, and in the place of add text, you have to add your text. I am going to write preventive measures for COVID-19. Okay, now preventive measures for COVID-19. Now click on the save and next button. Now it is automatically saved. Now click on this second number. And now again start from the down section. Now select this healthcare. So again in healthcare number of options are there. I am going to select this section, first aid kit box. So double click and then automatically it is insert. So now type here, type anything, wash your hand regularly. Now click on the save and close button. So care should be taken, saving should be complete. This line should be covered up to this section. Now third number section is there. Now we have to again select the different part. So now go to this section, internet and social. Now number of options are there. So by your interest select anything. So I am going to select this search bar and then insert. Now type your text. So I am going to write here follow the rules and regulations. Follow the rules and regulations of World Health Organization, that is called in short WHO. Click on the save and next button. This section should be complete. Okay. Now click on this button to add extra. So go to this section. Now there are number of options are there. So now select the background animation process. So now click on the background animation process. So this one is a background animation process. So here we have to type our text. So you have to write use the mask. Always you have to use this term. When you are going out, use the face mask. Here, when going outside, wear the face mask. So now go to the plus sign. Again this one is for again animations, number of background animations are there, and if you are going down in same section, number of very good backgrounds are there. So now the last animation for this process, this is the office animation. Now we are going to add the last animation for this particular video. So here you have to write stay safe at home. So these animations are there. So now total 5 slides are there. If this all sections are there, number of options are possible here, but here we also going to change our name also. Here click on one time, and then you have to change the name. Write the name like that, Go Corona. So now click on the style. So two options are there, overall look, and so therefore we are going to select 3D look. No change with the font size or font, and transitions are there, with shapes also there. This liquid transition is also there, and again here with the 3D transition is there. So select the 3D transition. Now click on the color button. Now select any color of your choice. So I am going to select this color. Now color part is over. Now apply any type of music there. So click on the plus button. So click on the plus button, so that the music is going to upload on that particular animations. Now click on the preview button. After pressing the preview button, click here, free preview. When the number of slides are more, it takes some time. Now this line is there, your video is in queue, so it takes some time. Now the changes to preparing your media. Now exporting processes takes place, 2%, 3%. After your complete process done, now your video is ready. Share my videos and then download. So click on the download button. So this video is getting downloaded. Now click here on video toolkit. Again click on this button, create now. So in first two video we are focusing on this add scene section. Now if you are having any script, you have to click here, otherwise you have to click here, load a preset. Now click on the load a preset button. So this number of options are possible: career center promotion, product promotion, online shop promotion, construction company promotions. So if you have to promote anything, you have to go there. So if you are going to click here, so click here. So after this button, whenever you click on this section, so all animations are. So if you need, all these animations are in this video, so you have to click on this button, use ready story. So in use ready story, so here only you have to type the content. So whenever the time limit is more than 1 minute, we have to upgrade our plan. Up to free plan, up to 1 minute it is free, and if we are going to click on this upgrade button, so you have to pay something. So therefore, okay, you have to click on this. So just click here, then it is automatically saved. So you directly, no need to change. So hungry for knowledge, all these things are there. So in first two videos you have to select this set, but here all thing is there, only you have to insert the text, only that thing is remaining, that is you have to insert your text. Okay, so now you have to remove some sections. If you have to remove, click here, because we need a video less than 1 minute. Click on this cut button. So within 10 slide, again same steps, go to the style. So here we have to select this 3D look. All thing is getting same, so click on the font. So now change the font size, select any font, select this. So again click on the transition. So now we are going to use this transition. Again all step is same. Now select the color. Now select any color. Insert the music. All step is same. Again one important thing is that if you are going to add your voice, you have to click here, upload your voiceover. So therefore if you are going to type, click here, select your voice where you submit this, where you record your voice. Otherwise click on the music, all thing is similar. So therefore select first number, it getting applied. Now click on the preview button. Now click on free preview. Now your video is in queue. As the video size is more, it takes some time. Video is getting exporting. So if we leave this page, then automatically on basis of your email address provided here, this render forest sent you a notification when your video is getting ready. Again number of options are there. If you like render forest, then go to the render forest, and you have to like the render forest, you have to go to the YouTube, you have to follow at the Twitter. So therefore this process is going on. So 50% render for 50% updation is going on. So this part is very simple. In this lecture we deals about only this criteria: create video, again make logo part is there, edit mockup is there, build website options are there, and here again number of options are there. If you are going to explore all this, number of options are there: gaming logo, company logo, YouTube logo, online video editor, slideshow maker, music visualizations, animations with YouTube intro maker, video inspiration. So number of options are there. In this FTP it is not possible to go each and every section of the render forest. We are giving you only the basic knowledge of render forest. With this basic knowledge you easily get your informations. So again number of options are there. So more options are there. And if you are going to subscribe, so write your name and write your email address and click on the subscribe button. Whenever any new update is for render forest, it directly coming to your mail. So this section is again very important, means it is, so now it is applying audio, so therefore two options are there. 2 minutes 40 seconds is there total time. Now check, this video is getting ready. This one again, number of options: publish, that share my videos, and then download. So click on the download button. This getting downloaded. If you try more type of toolkits for better understanding.